What is uncontested probate in Texas? When a loved one passes away, dealing with their estate can be overwhelming. In Texas, uncontested probate can make the process simpler and less stressful for everyone involved. If all beneficiaries agree on the distribution of assets, it avoids lengthy court battles and helps fulfill the deceased's wishes efficiently. Understanding how uncontested probate works in Texas is key to ensuring a smooth process. Texas probate law allows for a streamlined procedure when there's no dispute over the will. This is known as uncontested probate or independent administration. With the help of a trusted law firm, families can handle probate matters with minimal court supervision, saving time and reducing stress during a difficult period. The legal framework for uncontested probate in Texas: under Texas law, uncontested probate is available when beneficiaries agree on the will's terms. To initiate the process, the executor files an application with the probate court, where the will must be validated. Once approved, the court appoints the executor to manage the estate without needing constant court approval. This means the executor can handle asset distribution, pay debts, and settle taxes more efficiently. A key advantage is the reduced costs. Because there's no litigation, legal fees and court expenses are lower. However, executors must still comply with Texas probate laws, which makes consulting with an attorney essential to avoid potential legal pitfalls. Probate lawyers ensure executors fulfill their duties and adhere to legal deadlines. What is the uncontested probate process in Texas? The process starts by filing the will and petition with the appropriate probate court. Once the will is validated, the executor is appointed to oversee the estate. Their responsibilities include collecting and valuing assets, paying debts and taxes, and distributing the remaining assets to beneficiaries. Here's how it works. Filing the will. The executor, often with the assistance of an attorney, files the will and requests to open probate. Court appointment. The court verifies the will's validity and appoints the executor. Asset management. The executor gathers assets like real estate, bank accounts, and personal property to ensure they're properly distributed according to the will. Debt settlement. The executor pays outstanding bills from the estate funds, ensuring that legal and financial obligations are met. Distribution of assets. Finally, the remaining assets are distributed to the beneficiaries as outlined in the will. Throughout this process, Texas probate law requires that deadlines be met, such as filing inventories and notices to creditors. Working with a knowledgeable law firm ensures that executors comply with these legal obligations and avoid costly delays. Who is eligible for uncontested probate in Texas? For an estate to qualify for uncontested probate, specific criteria must be met. All beneficiaries must agree to the process. The will must nominate a suitable executor. There should be no anticipated disputes or creditor claims. Additionally, a valid will is crucial. The will must be in writing, signed by the testator, and witnessed according to Texas law. Without a valid will, the estate may be subject to a more complex process, often involving greater court supervision. Uncontested probate helps families avoid conflicts and ensures that the deceased's wishes are honored promptly. With the right legal guidance from an experienced lawyer, the process becomes smoother, offering peace of mind to grieving families. For compassionate and knowledgeable legal support, contact the law office of Whitney L. Thompson, PLLC at 281-214-0173. Visit the office at 4201 FM 1960 Road West, Suite 360, Houston, Texas, 77068 to ensure your probate process is handled efficiently and with care.